Oh no, Rob. The Mini 5 is too quiet. I can't see it anywhere. Where is it? I lost it.
I bet that guy knows.
Oh yeah, he probably does. We drove through the night to get here just when the sun is rising so that we can demonstrate this cool new drone. The Not My Drone Mini 5. I do like the new gimbal guard. It's quick and easy. Where we are right now is in the flight path of Class C airspace. We did get Lance approval to fly here, even though the planes are flying right over our location here. It seems awfully low, doesn't it, Rob?
It is. It seems like it's right above us.
We got approval for 400 feet.
Take off.
And you can see the plane, right? I'm gonna go up to 400 feet. There I am, 400 feet. So the plane is way above me. I would say the plane is at least 300 feet above the buildings. It looked a lot closer.
It looked a lot closer. 300, yeah.
It's deceiving.
Very.
You know, like when you take a traffic light down from the pole and put it on the ground, it just looks huge.
Right.
Perspective.
Yeah.
So just watch the camera.
Yep.
The wind is buffeting it all around, but that camera is rock steady.
There you go.
That really is amazing.
Wow. Truly amazing.
So when it comes up with, on the screen, sometimes it says strong wind.
Yeah.
Take heed.
Take heed, for sure.
Because it's usually, this isn't strong wind and it's doing this.
Right.
So right across the river here is that clock
that's right.
over there. How far away do you think that is?
Half a mile.
No. That's 2 miles.
2 miles?
If anything.
Do you think it's that far?
I bet it's more than 2 miles. Let's find out.
Oh, let's find out then. I got my eye on it.
Oh, the clock is like way the hell. Okay, it's behind. Okay.
You passed it?
Yeah, I got to go over the road. How far away did you think the clock was?
I said half a mile, which would be like 2,000 feet. 1,500, 2,000 feet.
And how many feet are in a mile?
5,280.
Oh yeah, it's more than a mile.
Okay. More than a
Yeah,
mile.
there we go. We're at the clock.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that.
That is. Good thing it is a big drone and we can still see it.
We can absolutely still see it.
Yeah, because you don't want to fly beyond visual line of sight.
No way.
Nope.
Not
So
ever.
we're flying a drone in Indiana from Kentucky.
We are?
We got to come back because we're running out of battery, man.
All right.
Think we'll make it?
I hope my drone makes it back. Not
My
drone.
It's going to be your
wait,
drone
I
if
gave
it doesn't
away our
make it back. I
secret.
blame you. I blame you. So we're beansing it
All right.
in sport mode.
Yeah.
With all this
Cruising.
wind at 32% battery. Does it scream at you at 20?
I think it's low 20s.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Where
I
you at?
am actually really nervous.
Okay, where are you at now?
I'm at 30%
30%.
over the river.
Right in the middle of the river.
Good God.
Holy crap.
We were joking about losing it. Oh, it's fighting the wind too.
Oh boy. Well, that
29%. Oh, this sucks. It's going really, really slow, it seems.
Come on, Not My Drone. You can do it.
28%.
Oh no.
I think we're gonna make it.
A mile is a long way away.
Yeah. Dude. I'm legit nervous. Oh, 26%. Oh, come on. It's still far away. Oh my God, 25%.
Oh shit.
Yeah, this is,
Don't stop. Just
no, I'm just beansing it. I think we're gonna make it. 24%.
we got it.
Oh, yeah.
Come on,
Oh my God.
You can do it. You can do it.
Oh my God, dude.
You can do it.
Oh my God, I think we made it.
We did!
Oh, holy shit. 3% to spare.
Wow.
Good job, Not My Drone. Not My Drone only came with one Not My battery.
Oh.
Luckily, little brother Mini 4 is interchangeable.
How about that?
Even though it kind of looks funny. It looks like you got a new door on your Prius.
I like the two-tone look myself.
Sure.
Uh-huh.
By now, you've seen a lot of other videos with this drone, and they've shown you all the things that it can do. All the like follow me stuff and all the little dip-de-doos and flip-de-dees. I'm not a dip-de-doo, flip-de-dee video kind of guy. I don't really do a deep dive on that. I'm mainly interested in what you're interested in, and that is the camera as compared to its predecessor. We've got the friend finder running.
Oh, how about that?
It's been running in the background. This is from DroneTag. I bet it'll beep when we take off. So hold that near your microphone.
All right.
Yep.
It definitely beeping.
Yep. You can actually mute that. Oh, my God. All right, let's go to DroneTag and see if we found a friend. Oh, we've got one friend. It's a DJI Mini 5 Pro.
That seems like it might be you.
It probably is. I can't believe on a beautiful day like this that it's
Everybody
not showing
should be
me
out flying their
more
drone
drones,
today.
but yeah, so there it is.
Send it
Over the water?
over the water. Do it.
Yeah, okay. Let's send a drone that's super hard to get out over the water. That's not, okay. This really is, I didn't think there was gonna be that much difference from the 4 to the 5. I was hoping that there wasn't gonna be, Rob,
Right.
because this isn't mine and I want one now.
Now you want one, you can't get
Yeah,
one.
I mean, you can't. Well, I got a friend who is gonna keister me one.
Oh,
Yeah, he's bringing some heroin over in to the United States. He said he can fit a Mini 5 in
Mini
there
5?
with it. So
it is a little bigger than the usual, right? Might have a little more
it's a little
difficulty.
longer, but
A
he
little longer, okay.
still see it, right?
I do see it.
All right. So there's a series of like 3 bridges here.
This is an amazing spot.
I'm gonna go under it. I'm gonna go under the bridge. Yeah. Can't believe I'm doing this with Not My Drone. But okay.
If you're going to do something like this, the Not My Drone is definitely the drone to use.
No, because I don't want Not My Drone to become Not My Friend anymore.
That's very true.
So I'll just go straight up.
Yeah.
That's a good shot,
wow,
huh?
that is an awesome shot. Look at that.
Ah,
My goodness.
yeah, that's nice. I want to test the signal penetration.
Oh,
See that building right there?
I do.
What would happen if we went behind it? Do you think it'll lose connectivity?
I do not think it will.
You don't think?
No, I think that this Mini 5 is going to be able to penetrate very well.
Well, before we do that, I don't know if you remember my Phantom incident in Atlantic City.
Oh,
Yeah, that was a bad day.
that was.
So it's not taller than 400 feet. Would you say that building?
No.
Are you confident enough that that I can go around that building without it losing signal?
I am confident.
From
enough.
here?
From here.
I will put the screen record from this on the screen.
There
You
you
can
go.
see the little H out there. That's us. I'm going to fly sideways slowly and look at the
Beautiful
RC
building.
meters, the RC levels there.
There you go.
All right, signal interference may exist. Now I'm just sitting there. It did go down. Wow. Wow, Rob, you were right.
Right through.
I'm glad you were right.
Never
I like
took
it.
my eye off 'em.
It's so quiet too. You think the 4 was quiet? I think this is even quieter. Look at that. Are you on camera? There he is.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, that's a
Good-looking.
good looking drone. All right, kill the light. Let's see how good this Mini 4 camera is. Huh.
Wow.
Wow, it's not that great, is it?
It's not. We were so spoiled by looking at the
We
5.
were. Should we send it out?
Send it.
All right. It's still very dark.
I think we were spoiled by that 5.
Yeah, I mean the sensor size really makes a difference.
Wow. But this still looks great.
I mean it's okay once you get close, like to the bridge here, you know.
Oh yeah.
But let's bring it back and see what the 5 can do.
Okay.
Holy shiz.
There's really no comparison.
There isn't. Oh my God. That is.
Wow.
Oh my God. I love my Mini 4, but jeez.
That is incredible.
Jeez Louise.
Look at all the colors.
Oh my
dropping.
God. Yeah, this is absolutely astonishing. Just amazing. I was looking at the price.
Yeah.
I was like, nah, that's not worth that. Now,
Or the.
yeah, it kind of is.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, are you allowed to cross state lines with the drone? Like, I mean, you're supposed to be allowed to. Okay.
We've done this before.
Oh yeah, that's right. I mean, just for the night capabilities alone, it's worth. Golly. Well, there we are. Wow. Wowie wow. All right, kill your light. You can still see us.
That's amazing.
All right. Sold.
Sold. Thanks, not my drone.
Thanks, not my drone. You are now my drone. Pardon me, sir. Do you know where I could go online to learn about getting my Part 107 certification? What's that? Oh, you do? Thank you very much. We're here in
Louisville. Louis Lou?
No, that's what tourists say. They say Louisville or Louisville.
Right.
If you're from here, the correct pronunciation, according to a local, is Imagine what it's doing with strong wind. Speaking of strong wind.
Yes.
Oh. All right, enough.
Enough already. We get the point.
We're over it. I gotta have one. How do I get one?
How do we get a not your drone?
Can we make not my drone my drone?
We could like have it fall in the river and.
You mean fall in the river?
Fall in the river, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's right.
yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, person that loaned it to me.
Yep.
It fell in the river.
Yeah, we lost it.
We look like a gay couple.
We do.
You're a little close. No! 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 Ah! We are going antiquing later, though, right?
We are.
You promised.
I did promise.
All right.